Hey Jitukwa, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is a car air freshener. If you can see the one that we got right here is a brand called Febreze, and they do call this Unstoppable. So if you guys see my previous video, I actually reviewed another one in the past before which had the same design as this one, with a different scent. This one here is a paradise scent, whereas the other one is like a fresh linen scent or something. But regardless, if you guys get the Unstoppable version or the regular car air vent freshener, all of them works the same way, it just had a different scent. But I was curious about what this one smells like compared to the normal one, so that is why I purchased this. So see for the one that we got right here, it comes with a pack of 3 of them, and right here it does give you guys the option to kind of scratch it to see what it smells like before you guys do open it. Back part they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it, which is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is just pull up the back part and just the top part in terms of how strong you guys want the freshness to be. So before I actually open this up, let's scratch the side right here to see what it smells like first. It kind of have a little bit like a tropical kind of smell to it. I'm not sure how to explain it, but I guess you can say that it smells like paradise, since it is a paradise scent. But let's open this up to show you guys how to actually use it and how it works. So you basically want to peel off this part right here in the back. You basically want to just open it up. And you just want to take one of them out. Once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So same thing as the other one that I showed you guys last time. All you guys need to do is adjust the back part. So if you guys want to be stronger, or if you guys want to be weaker, you guys can adjust it based on your own preference. And this is what the back part looks like when you guys do turn it. It basically opens up or closes it. And then for this part in the back is where you guys want to push it all the way up. And then once you guys do that, it will start working immediately. And then for this section right here is where you guys want to clip it onto your car. So if you guys are not ready to use it yet, you don't want to push it up, because the moment once you guys push this up, then it starts working. So let's push this up right now and we'll put it onto the car to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do set it up. So all you need to do is push it up all the way like this until you guys hear a snap. Just like that. Once you guys do that, then it's all set to start using it. You basically want to adjust the top part right here in terms of how strong you guys want it, like I mentioned. And when we smell it right now, it actually smells pretty good. I think it actually smells a lot better than the actual sample that was on the package. So over time, when you guys leave this longer in your car, it'll definitely smell a lot better. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just bring this over to the car and show you guys how to set it up, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I have the other one that I've been using. This is like the original version, or like the fresh scent one. Where for this one right here, you can see it is the one that I unboxed, which is like a yellow kind of texture. So all you need to do is just stick it on like this. And you just want just the top part in terms of how strong you guys want it. So this side for less, and this side for more. So you see for this one's basically almost done. So that is why I got a new one right here. So that way I can keep the car smelling fresh. But that is basically how you guys use it. Very easy and very simple. Welcome back, guys. So nice quick test pot definitely actually does work, and actually works quite well. So you can see from the video, I was basically done using the previous one already. So that is why I purchased one of these to actually replace it. If I had to compare this one versus the other one, I do feel like the other one smells slightly better, at least in my opinion. But if you guys want to get like a tropical smell, I do recommend this one over that one. But if you guys do look online for this one, a lot of people do like the paradise scent. It does smell really good. But like I mentioned earlier, regardless of which one you get, that is totally up to you guys. But all of them definitely works the same way. It's just different scent. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality car air freshener to help make the car smell a little bit better and also help you guys remove any kind of odor, etc. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.